Today we're going to Marazion. Marazion is a beautiful market town just along from Penzance with gorgeous views from every angle and majestic backdrop of St Michael's Mount. It really is a must-see. Don't forget to check out the description of the video for more information such as accessibility, amenities, postcodes and directions of all the places that we mention. What, baby? What can you see? What can you see over there? Huh? What can you see? Joey, this way. So we've just parked over in this big car park here. The marshes are just over there. You see the woods on the other side of the road as you come into Marazion. There's a lovely play park over there, which we'll go in a minute. Then over here is St Michael's Mount and the beach. Lovely sunny day in Marazion. Georgie Pudgy. You are too cute. You can normally walk from just over here all the way across to St Michael's Mount. There is a charge to get into the castle, I believe, but you can walk across at low tide and access and have a look at the castle from the outside. You can also walk all the way down there, all the way to Long Rock, and then you can walk along the pathway all the way down to Penzance, which is over there. Say hi, baby boy. You're a little bit snotty still. Oh, look! Uh-oh, George got it. Leah's found some nice shells.
In the ocean.
In the ocean. You having a nice day?
Love it. I'll put them there.
Boys are playing football. We will. Leah's been playing in the ocean, the boys are playing football. Oh, what's that funny noise? This one's having a sneaky snack. A sneaky snacky. Geordie's always having a sneaky snack, isn't he? Good job, Jojo. Yeah. I think the wind is playing havoc with the game of football. I think Jojo's enjoying himself, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh no!